which I don't know about me, is I'm always ready for a good clap back. And that's why I made my little video last night about my wet and dry cups. What is this? Oh, it's a dryer sheet. I must have washed my robe. Anyway, so what I've discovered is that I'm a dadgum kitchen scientist is what's happened here. And I have, taught the internet that a cup is a cup. But what I've learned, no, I have not learned this. I already knew this. I already knew that the reason why there is a wet and dry, a cup is a cup is a cup. I understand that the reason why is because if you're going to be serious about measurements, and I'm not, but if you're gonna, a dry cup, you cannot do this. Like with this cup right here. Well, let's do this one because this one is a cup, okay? With this cup right here, if I were to put dry ingredients in here and try to get it level there, I can't take this other kitchen tool and scrape it across the top and make it a perfect dry ingredient cup. I understand that. And with this one, you could get it perfectly level. Listen, do you even know me? I ain't trying to get it perfectly level. I'm just not gonna do it. I am a kitchen rebel, is what I am. So it just doesn't matter that much to me. So here's the thing. I have my sister in Dallas, okay? Her name is Marlene. And I love her, love her, love her. But if there's a right hand and a left hand, she's the right hand and I'm the left hand, okay? Because she wants things just so. And I don't even care. And that's what makes us so perfect for each other. Because she drives me nuts and I drive her nuts. Because she's gonna care and I'm not gonna. She told me one time, let me get a drink. She told me one time we were driving, Marlene, if you're watching, I'm not putting you down because I'm the one that's breaking the rules. You are the correct one. And y'all that are telling me, y'all are the correct ones for a fact. So anyway, we were driving one time and I stopped at the red light and she said, you're supposed to stop behind that white line. And I was like, there's a white line? I don't live my life like that, y'all. I don't follow the rules. I do not measure. I do not know there's a white line. I do not, and I love it. I just, even on here, there's certain things you're supposed to do. There's certain things you're like checking your analytics and making sure that you're doing, all the right things, all the right lighting, get your microphone, check your analytics to make sure that you're seeing who's watching and make sure you're trying to talk to those people. That I don't even know what an analytic is. I make a video and I press send and y'all get it. That's it. Sometimes I will go in and edit and take out the ums and most of the time y'all just get what you get. But that's who I am. But I understand that even this putting this straw through here like this pushes y'all over the edge. Some of y'all, they're like, I know that it does. And I understand it because like I said, my sister's that way, not about the straw, but just in general. If there's a rule, she's going to follow it. And there are things in place in life to keep us safe and to keep us, sane and to keep us, I understand it. I understand it, but I ain't going to do it. You ain't the boss of me. I'm the boss of me. I'm not talking to y'all. I'm just saying it. Life is not the boss of me. And so maybe that's why I'm 63 years old, take no medication. I have no issues with stress. I just, sometimes I get stressed out, but I just live and let live, That's how I feel about it. In everything, live and let live. Look at this hair. You think I care? I don't care, y'all. Anyway, but I just wanted y'all to know. Oh, and what my nose. And while I was looking for this tool to do this, because I had to make a point, I also found some tools in here that my drawers are full. Y'all should see these drawers. I should show y'all my drawers, but I ain't gonna. Y'all would judge me because I can't find a daggum thing. I'm gonna make some. I saw Rita on here. She's the funniest thing, and she makes the best Italian recipes on here for sure. And she was showing how to make real fettuccine alfredo, which is butter and good Parmesan, which I went and got me some. I found out in this town you can't buy good butter. Kerrygold's the best we got over here. So I did pick up something at Whole Foods, but we're going to see how it works out. But anyway, she said good butter and good Parmesan. That's all that goes in it. No cream, nothing. So we're going to try that. But so I was with my friend yesterday. We were shopping. And I said, I need one of those for aesthetics, you know, to act like I know what I'm talking about. I need one of them, these things. Because I have the stand-up kind of cheese grater, but I need one where I can be grating it for y'all and do like this over the pan. You know, so I look like I know what I'm doing. So she let me borrow hers. And then when I'm looking in my drawers this morning, I already got these things. Now I got every kitchen tool known to man. But anyway, I found, which probably someone come over here and tell me, someone that knows the rules. This one seems like it'd be like for more cheddar. It's this one my friend gave me. It's got a thicker grade, and I feel like these little thinner grade ones that actually were mine are the ones I need to use for my Parmesan. Somebody who knows the rules, come on here and tell me, because I do need to know that before I make. Well, you know what? If I use the wrong one, that'll cause y'all to get in here in the comments and tell me that I did it wrong, which I want y'all to comment. So please do. Please do. Go ahead. I'll just use the wrong one on purpose. All right, but I found this in there. I found this in my drawer. It's like silicone. It's got a big one and a little one, but it's not a measuring. What the heck is this? I don't know. I don't know what that is. It's cute, but I don't know what it is. I'll use it for something. Then I found this. It's got, it looks like it might have gone to something, but I don't know what it is. Anybody know what that is? I don't know. There's other things in there too, but I didn't think I had long enough in a 10-minute video to show you all the things that I don't know what they belong to or go to in these drawers. But anyway. Just saying good morning and telling you I'm a kitchen scientist. That I proved to the world that a cup is a cup. And that's it. That's all I got. I'm going to get my lashes done here in a little bit. And then I'm going to get my PDRN micro needling, because, you know, I'm vain. I'm vain. Getting that done. So I won't be able to wear makeup at all today. So when I do my thing, my fettuccine, Kenny wants to make steak. So I have to make steak and fettuccine because I gotta cook my fettuccine. I won't have any makeup on, but it'd be all right. Anyway, love y'all.